Hello everyone. How are you? How are you? I hope that you are all okay. Okay? So now we will just have our quiz. Okay? So please get your quiz notebook and we'll have our quiz in math. Open your quiz notebook. Okay, do you have it already? Okay, so please write math November 13. Math November 13. Okay, so we'll have our problem solving. Problem number one. This will be 5 points. 1 point, 1 point, and then the solving is 3 points. Okay po? So the first problem is, do not copy the problem. You will just write the answer. The first problem is, there are 28 children and 19 adults on the roller coaster ride. How many people are on the roller coaster ride? I will repeat the problem number one. There are 28 children and 19 adults on the roller coaster ride. How many people are on the roller coaster ride? So number one, what is asked? Please write, what is asked? Next, number two, what are given? What are given? You can pause the video if you are not yet done, okay? What are given? And for number 3, 4, 5, this one is 3 points. Solve your answer. Solve your problem. Okay, done? Now let's go to problem. If you are not yet done, you can pause and then play it when you are finished. So let's go to problem number 2. I will read the problem. David collected 237 rubber bands. Raven collected 196 rubber bands. How many rubber bands did David and Raven collect? I will repeat. David collected 237 rubber bands and Raven collected 196 rubber bands. How many rubber bands did David and Raven collect? So number 6, what is asked? Write your answer in number 6. What is asked? Next, number 7. What are given? What are given? And number 8, 9, and 10, 3 points again. Solve your answer. Solve your answer. Done? Okay. If you are not yet done, you can pause this video again and then play it. Those who are finished, you are going to take a picture of your work, your quiz, and send it in our class dojo. Okay po? So next, let's proceed to our PE. For our PE, we're gonna have our practical quiz. Okay? So while you're gonna take a video of yourself doing this activity and you're gonna send it in our class dojo. Okay? I will repeat. Take a video of yourself while doing this activity and you're gonna send it in our class dojo. Okay, so this is the first activity. Hands on your waist and then you need to rotate your shoulders forward 8 times and backward 8 times, okay? So your hands must be on your waist, okay? So let's do it. Ready? Rotate forward first, 8 times. Ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Backward, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, very good. Next, if you're done with that one, first number 1, now let's go to number 2. We are going to swing our arms forward and backward alternately. So we're gonna count 16 counts, okay? So swing your arms forward and backward, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Very good. Next, number 3. Hands on your waist, bend to the side, sideward right, and left alternately. So we're gonna do this also 16 counts, okay? Hands on your waist. Ready? And go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, very good. So that is our practical quiz in PE. So you're gonna do that 3 activity and then send it in our, take a video and then send it in our class dojo. Ay, napagod ako dun ah. Okay, next, let's go to our For Your Filipino Civics and Computer Quiz. You're gonna go to quizzes.com. You like it? Of course. You're gonna search Filipino November 13 and it must be the creator must be Teacher Bell, okay? Civics or what is my name there? Belianadera or Belnadera. Okay? So you're gonna search in the library, search Quizzes Library, search Filipino, November 13. Okay, make sure that the date, this is the name of the quiz there. Filipino, November 13, Civics, November 13, and Computer, November 13. Okay, and then play the game. It's okay if you're gonna play solo, okay? Just play it solo. And then you can do it many times if you want, or you can just do it once, okay? So again, for your Filipino civics and computer quiz, please go to quizzes.com and search Filipino November 13, Civics November 13, and Computer November 13, created by Teacher Bell, and then play the game. So that's all, everyone, and see you on Tuesday. Bye!